Welcome to MH class. Today we'll discuss one more questions related to linear programming LPP. Okay, here question is that, see the question, show that the minimum of Z occurs at more than 2 points. It may be minimum of maximum of Z occurs, minimize or maximize, okay, of Z occurs at more than 2 points. That we have to show. Minimize and maximize of Z is equal to this, Z is equal to 5x plus 10y. That is the objective function. This is the objective function. This objective function we have to show. This is maximize and minimize at more than 2 points. Okay. Under the constraints, subject to the constraints, these are the constraints. What are the limitations? Limitations are x plus twice y less or equal to 120, x plus y greater or equal to 60, x minus y is equal to greater or equal to 0. Okay, that we have to see. Now for this we have to make solution. First we can write all these things, maximize or minimize, that we can write minimize and maximize. What is given, that we can write in the solution paper. 5x plus 10y, this is maximize or minimize, subject to what are the graph constraints, x plus twice y less or equal to 120, x plus y greater or equal to 60, x minus twice y, this x minus twice y greater or equal to 0, x minus twice y greater or equal to 0, and last one is x comma y greater or equal to 0. These are the constraints. We have to draw the graph of these equations. Okay, in equations, first in equation is this x plus twice y less or equal to 20, x plus y is greater or equal to 60, x minus. So for that first we have to make the table. Let's see the table. We'll take the equations. What are the equations here? X plus twice y is equal to 120. For this make the table. What is the table? X, y. When x is equal to 0, when we put x is equal to 0, the twice y is equal to 120, y is equal to 60. If y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 120. This is the graph table. For the second one, x plus y is equal to 60. We will take that x plus y is equal to 60. For this, make the table. This is x, y. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 60. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 60. Okay. And last one table we can make in this way. What is the last one? X minus twice y is equal to 0. If make the table for this, x, y. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, it will pass us through the origin. Next we will take x is equal to, if we take x is equal to 40, y is equal to 20. Then x is equal to, if we take x is equal to 60, y is equal to 30. Okay. Now we'll plot the points and draw the graph of this 4 equations. Clear? So this is our table. Now we'll draw the graphs. This is the graph paper. Plotting the points. Let's see what are the points will come. This x-axis, x, this y dash, this is x dash, this will be y. This 0 origin, comma 0 0. This we assume that 10 small units is 10, 10, 20, 30. According to the limitations, we will put the values 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. These are the x-axis, and y-axis same 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This way we will take. Okay. Now see, plot the points. For first table, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 60, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 60. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 60. This point is this is the coordinate, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 60. X is equal to 120, y is equal to 0. This x is equal to 120, y is equal to 0. This point. Okay. This point is what? What will assume? Right here, 120, 0. This one right here, 0, 60. Now join this with the help of the scale. With the help of the scale. So carefully you have to join. This is the graph of the equation x plus twice y is equal to 120. Now we have to check whether it is contain 0. The solution will contain the equation contain the origin or not. Now if we put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then 0 is less than 120. 0 is less than 120. So it will contain the 0. Okay, it will contain the 0. This part will come. This part. This part is the equation of this is what? X plus, we can write x plus twice y is equal to 120. This is the graph of this equation. Okay. Next equation is x plus y is equal to 60. X plus y is equal to 60. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 60. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 60. Same point. X is equal to the same point will come again. X is equal to 60, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 60, y is equal to 0. The x is equal to 60, y is equal to 0. Which is the point? This is the x is equal to 60, y is equal to 0. And that point is same point. So draw the point. Draw the line. So this way we will draw the graph. Okay. This equation is x plus y is equal to 60, and this point is, what is the point here? This one is 60, 0, and the same point, others is same point. Okay. Now see, next third equation is what? X minus twice y is equal to 0. It passes through the origin. Oh, this one, what is the which region will come? This line divides the plane into halves, upper halves and lower halves. That is x plus y is greater or equal to 60. If we put 0, then x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 greater or equal to 60. We will get 0 plus 0 greater or equal to 60. This is not true. This is false. That means what? Origin will not, the region will not containing the origin. Okay. That is it is away from the origin. It is away from the origin means what? Which part? It will be upper part, this upper part, this upper part, it will be upper part. it will not in the origin, this part. Okay, next one is x is equal to x minus twice y is equal to 0. Plot the points. X is equal to 40, y is equal to 20. X is equal to 40, y is equal to 20. This point, x is equal to 40, y is equal to 20. This point is. So this is 40 comma 20, and x is equal to 60, y is equal to 30. This is the point, x is equal to 60, y is equal to 30. 60 comma 30, and also it is passes through the origin 0 comma 0. So draw the graph of this equation. Okay, so join this, what will get? This is the graph. So this equation is x minus twice y is equal to 0. X minus twice y is equal to 0. Now we have to check. This line divides the plane in two halves, lower halves and upper halves. Now which halves will be contained? Take any one. Origin we cannot take, because origin already it is passes, the line passes through the origin, so origin we cannot take. So either on x axis any point will take, or on y axis any point will take. That will be better. Okay, let us see. This is 30, x is equal to 30 comma 0. So if we take x is equal to 30, so 30 comma 0 means what? X is equal to 30, y is equal to 0. 30 is greater or equal to 0. That means this portion will be containing the graph, this portion. So which portion will contain? The downward portion. This portion will contain. Now see, out of this which part is a common part? That means all the region have the same common part. This part is the common region, this is the common part, this part is the common part. If we see, if we observe that this part is the common part. Okay, that means this is the shaded portion, we can take in this way. Dark shaded portion. Okay, this is a common for all these three in equations, common part. So here, what are the corner points? We can give the name of these corner points. This is A, 60 comma 0. This is B, 120 comma 0. This is C, 60 comma 30, and this is D. This point is D, 40 comma 0. So what are the corner points here? The corner points we are getting. So here, what will write? The feasible region A, B, C, D as is shown as dark shaded. We observe that the feasible region is bounded. Okay, the coordinate of the corner points coordinate of the corner points of the feasible region are a 60, 0, b 120, 0, c 60, 30, and d is 40, 20. So no need to write in details, just the concept should be clear, and in this way if we do, then also it is okay, no problem. Or earlier what we have done in details, that is for others to clear the concept of the problems, we can do in this way also. Now corner points, what are the corner points here? Now find out the corner points value. The corner points, objective function, what is the objective function? Z is equal to 5x plus 10y. In corner point, what are the corner points? We will say a 60, 0, that time value of z is what? If we put 65 into 60 is 300 plus 0 is 300, this is 300. B, what is B? 120, 0, that time what is z? Value of z 120, 600 plus 0, that is 600 only. C, what is C? C is 60, 30, that time what is the value of z? Z is equal to 300, again 300, that is 600, 300 plus 300 is 600. And D, what is D? D is 40, 20. If we take 40 and 20, 40 is 200 plus again 200, z is equal to 400. Okay. So minimum is, what is the minimum? Which is the minimum? This is minimum. This point is minimum. These 2 points are maximum. These 2 points are maximum. So what we can say? The z is maximum. Z is maximum at points. At points. Which points? 120, that is B 120, 0, and C 60, 30, and maximum value is, we need to find out both maximize and minimize. Maximum value is 600. Okay. Z is minimum. Z is minimum. Where at A 60, 0, and minimum value is 300. So this way you have to solve. I hope all of you understand. If any doubt, let me know. I'll try to my best to clear your concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.